In this video, I'm gonna show you how to hide online on Instagram. So let's get started. First, open Instagram app on your mobile. Now go to Profile by tapping your profile icon located at the bottom right side. Now tap on three lines at the top right. Tap Settings and Privacy. Now under How others can interact with you, tap Messages and Story Replies. Click Show Activity Status. Just toggle the switch to off next to Show Activity Status to turn on or off your activity status. When your activity status is on, people you follow and anyone you message will see when you were last active or currently active on Instagram. Note that when you turn off your activity status, you won't be able to see anyone else's activity status. So that is how you can hide online on Instagram. If you find the video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.